welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video we're featuring Worldnewhair. Big shout out to Worldnewhair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have this bright orange 26-inch lace front wig. This is HD lace. I will have all the details down in the description box in case you are interested. But we're going to go ahead and get right into this look. So as you can see, this came in that natural body wave S pattern, and I really wanted to showcase these waves because it is a body wave texture. So the install is going to be a side part. You do get decent parting on here, so I went as deep as I could on the part without it looking crazy. So we kind of did like a curved part because as you can see, it does taper off on the sides a little bit. So the wig fit really well. There are adjustable straps inside and there is a comb in the nape area. That is my favorite as far as security on wigs. I don't care for the combs in the sides like near the temple. I don't need that, but that nape area comb is always going to come in clutch. And typically I don't even stick that comb in my hair. I usually stick it under the wig cap. So yeah, that's tea. So I'm using my ORS wig grip. This has become a staple. Y'all really need to get into that spray. It smells amazing. It's easy to wash off. You can wash it off with water, and it has amazing holds. And I've noticed that my hairline is doing a lot better with that spray. So I will have that linked in the description box as well. So once I adhered the lace down, I did use the melt band that came with the package to lay this down. So what I like to do is define my part before I put the band on. I don't know, you can do it the other way, but for some reason I just prefer to have my part section off before I melt it down, just so I have an idea of where the hair is going to fall, how the hair is going to fall. Not only that, then I have more time to style the hair while it's melting. So I decided to go with the part on this side. We're going to cut a few layers in the front because I also wanted to mimic the style that the model has, or the models have on the website, because I thought that was super cute. So I cut quite a few layers into this wig on that one side, and then I'm going to use my T3 curling iron to curl everything going back. I did eventually pin curl two of the curls in the front because I wanted some height and volume with that, and then I added some more layers into the very front of the hair just to achieve the look that I was going for. But it came out really nice. This is 26 inches and it is long. It's definitely true to length. As far as the density, this wig is offered in two densities. It's offered in 180 and 250. I'm not going to hold you. I'm unsure of the density at this moment that I'm doing the voiceover, but I will have everything linked down below so you can check. But I know this is a very bold, bright color. Everybody's not going to be into orange hair, but for my girls that like to pop out, yeah, this is for you. Not only that, another reason why I really like these color wigs is because when you're done with this color, you can easily deposit another color on here. I love to dye these wigs like a red or a plum. They take those colors in that family really well. So we might remix this, maybe not. But otherwise, all the links should be down below. If I have a discount code, that will be in the description box as well as the comment section. So shout out to Worldnewhair for sponsoring today's video. Big thank you to you guys for continuing to watch and watching another hair video. Like this video on your way out. And I will see you in the next video. Oh, and if you have any suggestions on like how you want me to remix this wig, let me know. Because if I don't remix it, I'm probably just going to put it on my website. But see you beauties in the next video.
Room full of beautiful women, but I'm on mine. Room full of women and they notice me. Now they wanna listen to us, try to see. Freaking you. Is there a freak in you? Come Come and talk to me, Rush, 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 baby, just like a morally. So pretty, girl, you belong in a gallery. What's your fantasy? Say something you ain't never did. That fucking sucker real deal. I'm flicking my wrist like I'm a t-shirt. Diamonds on my chest like a bishop. And these lines right here ain't no hiccup. These lines right here gon' really, really make you fuck. These lines really gonna make you numb like Chuck. This time it's your time. I need to know we're your down. Cause if not, I know there's more. There's always more. That's for sure. There's always more. That's for sure. Because there's room for the beautiful women, but I'm on mine. Room for the women that they notice me. Now they wanna listen to us, know to see. Freaking you, freaking you. Is there a freak in you? Come and talk to me. I don't like the shy games. I don't like no mind games. By the time you make your mind up, it's a kick of time's up. Hey, you gon' have to climb it if you want it. Burning rubbers, burning through these rubbers, it's exhausting. Drop, hop, baby girl, it's CrossFit. I'ma grab your body hips, hey. I'm flicking my wrist like I'm a t-shirt. Diamonds on my chest like a bishop. And these lines right here ain't no hiccup. These lines right here gon' really, really make you fuck. These lines really gonna make you numb like Chuck. This time it's your time. I need to know we're your down. Cause if not, I know there's more. What you wanna do? Kinda mood you in. You know what I wanna do. You see what I see. You know. There's a room for the beautiful women, but I'm on mine. Room for the women and they notice me. Now they wanna listen to us, know to see. Freaking you, freaking you. Is there a freak in you? Magic City bump, but my crib is nicer. My wife be out on your night, depend on the wife and like an ass. I see your old niggas looking like some old niggas. I'm in the Sachi mansion with some Gucci gold slip. I got my gold on my mind, say she a gold digger. That spandex might trip on my antics, might hook up the bandage, might pull like a bitch. Prayers out to magic. There's a room for the beautiful woman, but I'm on one. Room for the women and they notice me. Now they wanna listen to us, y'all to see.